Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I cannot wait to get into the new Wonka collaboration with Glamlite. It has been 2 years since I did my last Willy Wonka video, and that was done by SheGlam. I really enjoyed that palette. I didn't get the full collection that time. I didn't get the full collection this time, but Glamlite did have a lot of stuff on sale. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna put a couple of looks together, and I hope that sounds like fun. Keep on watching. First, I'll show you the non-Wonka items that I got that were on sale. And the first one is this. Universal Soft Pink Loose Powder. Fine milled texture ensures a velvety finish that stays all day, leaving your skin feeling as smooth as whipped cream. Infused with vitamin E and skin blurring ingredients, this is the perfect formula to lock in your makeup and control oil, unveiling a flawlessly radiant complexion. Yes, please. I don't have any powder on my face, so I will get into this in just a moment. Also on sale was the Kiss and Glamlite Lip Kit. This says Kiss, Lick It Up. I love a good red. My very favorite red liquid lip comes from Glamlite, and sadly they discontinued it, so I'm hoping that this red is going to wow me. We'll play with that in a minute. Next, I'll show you the two items that I got from the Wonka collection, and the first one is the lip kit. Ooh. I got a golden ticket. It says, Willy Wonka Golden Ticket. Greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket from Mr. Willy Wonka. Present this ticket at the factory gates at 10 o'clock on the morning. I think we know it. Does everybody know this movie? Is it one of your favorite movies? Not a fan of the Johnny Depp one, but I love the first one. We've got a gloss, we've got a lipstick, and we've got a lip liner. Let me go ahead and swatch them. Lip liner looks promising. Here's the lipstick. Kind of smells sweet, but I don't smell chocolate. That's okay. There we go. Can't wait. And now to show you the one that inspired the entire order, this baby right here. It is the Wonka Bar palette. There's a golden ticket inside. I have not opened it. I wanted to open it with you. Oh no. See the golden ticket. All right, here is the outer packaging. It looks like a chocolate bar, and on the back it says Wonka Bar. Oh, isn't it pretty? We've got a mirror, and then look at the shades. Yes, I'm gonna put the rest of my face on first, and then I'll do 2 eye looks with the palette. I'll go ahead and set my face first with this Berry Bake powder. Oh, I hate to open it. It's just so pretty. Sweet. Oh, there's the strawberry shortcake. There's a teeny little puff that says Glamlite. Love. I smell nothing. Wouldn't have minded a little strawberry scent, but I know some people are sensitive to that. A little bit into the cap. It's definitely pink. Puff feels nice. Oh, wow. That's really nice. Nice and smooth. It really blurred. This is the side without and with. I am very impressed. And in the true love of my strawberry shortcake, I did grab my strawberry shortcake blush that I have in my stash. This is still current. You know I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below, which some may be affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I make a small commission, and I thank you for supporting me and my channel. Look how cute this lilac pink blush is. I must admit I bought it for the packaging, but I believe it was when the super hot pink blush was just becoming super hot. It's got the strawberry shortcake emblem on it, and I have used it plenty. It's It's a nice buildable blush. And this Morphe A22 is nice for keeping it sheer as well. I'll do the lip next. This just says Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Went on very smooth. It's a very nice, neutral leaning, warm brown. I love it. Here is the lipstick. It's really very pretty with the embossing and the brown. Inside is sort of a matte plastic. It's very pretty. I really like that. I will add the gloss later. Here we go. Let's get into some swatches of this palette. Here's the first row. We have Coffee Cream, Wonkatania, Fizzy Lifting Drink, Chocolate, Golden Egg, and Sugarcane. Here's the next row. We have Chocolate River, Charlie, Lollipop, Blueberry, Willy Wonka, and Violet. And here I have the last row. Whipped Cream, Wonka Bar, Fudge, Golden Ticket, Oompa Loompa is right here, and then here is Wonka Vision. They look beautiful. The shimmers are what I'm used to. They are a soft texture. Wonka Bar I kind of dug into a little bit hard. I'm gonna have some fun. I did bring in my Glamlite Icing eyeshadow primer. I have mine in Vanilla. If you haven't checked out Glamlite's website, they really do have a lot of good sales. Their eyeshadow formula is definitely one of my favorites. All right, this eye, I think I'll go a little more neutral, safe, but still beautiful. I'm anticipating. And I'll use Fizzy Lifting Drink on my Refer 15. Look at that. Just sort of setting us up. Just a little bit underneath. I'll deepen it with this Coffee Cream. This is the Spectrum A28. I'm being careful to tap off my brush. I don't want to fall out. Just sort of patting in that outer corner. Take a little bit of that Wonkatania, same brush, and go underneath. I think I'll take some of this Chocolate Bar. Ooh, look at that. Go a little bit on the outer edge. Oh my, that's beautiful. Lean finger to blend. I always keep a cloth on my lap. I love this Wonka Bar. It's the one that I really went in a little too hard on in the swatching. It's more of like an antique gold. Wow. A little bit of this Fudge. And I'm going to spritz it with a little e.l.f. setting spray. And I'll try to get this right in the inner corner. Perfect. I'll go ahead and add some liner and mascara, and I'll be back with completed look number 1. I'm back. Here is completed look number 1. I did add a little bit of their Calligrapher liquid liner. I love this stuff. What do we think of the warm look? I think it is beautiful. And if you look really, this side is more neutral, this side is more purple, so loving. I'm going to start with Golden Egg, and this is a JennDBeauty E02. Plop it on my outer corner. Look how nice that looks. Oh, so pretty. I'm just sort of patting and letting the brush do its thing. Slowly building upwards. This is a ColourPop E18. I'm going to take a little bit of violet, just go along that edge. Sugarcane looks really pretty, so I'm going to go into that one next. I'll put that right here. And now I'm going to go into this Oompa Loompa. Maybe I'll take a little bit of blueberry on this E02 that I was using. Just keep playing. Back into that violet to blend. I'm going to take more of this blueberry on the ColourPop E18. I'm going to spritz it with my e.l.f. I'm going to put it on the bottom lash line. Or I should say under my eyes. And of course, I want to take some of this Wonka Vision on this Alter Ego 11. Spritz. And put that in the inner corner. Yay! Liner and lashes. Be right back with completed look number 2. And I'm back with completed look number 2 using the purple side. I love. Which look do you like better? Do you like the golden brown, like the golden ticket? Or do you like the purple? I love them. So good. I will go ahead and check the lipstick now. And very little transfer. It is a nice light color, which also helps. Let me go ahead and throw this gloss on. Ooh. I love it. It's like that milky style. Oh, I love it. I'm feeling a little bit of a cooling sensation. It's this milky light brown. Oh, love. The only thing I've not played with is this lip kit. Let me go ahead and get this open so we can at least swatch it. Funny story, I used to be very afraid of Kiss. I actually had a nightmare that they were chasing me through my house. I'm not afraid of them anymore, which is good. And I'm shocked that there are quite a few songs that I really enjoy that they sing that I didn't know that they sing. Like I Love Beth. That is such a pretty song. Okay, here is the lip liner. Oh, that's nice. It's a deeper red. And then beautiful packaging on the lipstick. Oh, that is not red. I thought that that was red. It is not. Oh yeah, it is. Wow, I'm very confused. I guess it's like a bricky kind of red. And again, with the packaging, wow, they have the kiss, and I guess, are those flames? Lightning bolts? Could definitely see myself wearing this. Final thoughts. Pink powder from Glamlite. Absolutely love. First impression is that it looks super smooth on the skin. Not too pink. It's brightening. It doesn't seem to be making my under eyes dry. Really, really good. And I love the little baby puff. Like the lip liner, like the lipstick, love the gloss. Not sticky. I love the milkiness of it. Yes. And of course, the palette. I actually grabbed my other Wonka palette, and this one was from She Glam, and I love this palette. I really, really do. But this one, for sure, takes it up a few notches, and I would expect that from Glamlite. Great job on a beautiful palette. The purples, the golds, the browns. It's good. It's good. I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. If you've not subscribed already, please consider subscribing before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart, to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next one.